Curious about the core of Islam? Let's uncover the key beliefs and practices that shape this major world religion. Islam means submission to the will of God. Followers, called Muslims, worship one all-knowing God known as Allah. Muslims aim to live a life of complete submission to Allah. They believe nothing happens without Allah's permission, but humans have free will. Islam teaches that Allah's word was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad through the angel Gabriel. Muhammad is considered the final prophet, following others like Abraham, Moses, and Jesus. Mosques are where Muslims worship, and holy sites include the Kaaba in Mecca and Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem. The Quran is the major holy text, with the Hadith also being important. Muslims pray and recite the Quran, believing in Judgment Day and life after death. A central idea is jihad, meaning struggle, often misunderstood. It refers to efforts to defend the faith internally and externally. Ready to learn more? Stay tuned for more insights into Islam.